Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.9%, following a 1.3% intra-session dip. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street benchmarks advanced, with the S&P 500 and the Dow hovering around record highs as chip stocks surged on TSMC's upbeat forecast, and stronger than expected monthly retail sales indicated a robust US consumer. Cumulative flows into the spot Bitcoin ETFs have exceeded $20 billion, following the United States-based products clocking 4 consecutive days of inflows. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have received $20.26 billion in cumulative flows since the products launched in the US on January the 11th. The European Central Bank cut interest rates for the third time this year, saying inflation in the Eurozone was increasingly under control, while the outlook for the bloc's economy was worsening. The first back-to-back rate cut in 13 years marks a shift in focus for the Eurozone's central bank from bringing down inflation to protecting economic growth.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT. The US monthly budget statement will be released at 18 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The Eurozone's current account at 8 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.